Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. This is going to be the last video about central tendency measurements in a set of data of non-grouped data, right? So I will explain faster than in the previous two videos because I have already explained in the others what is mean, mode, median, and range. So I expect you have a little understanding about this, right? So you're welcome to this video. I'm going to read the problem. It says, here is some information about six numbers. The lowest number is 37. The range is 24. The mode is 43. The median is 46. One number is multiple of 11 and find the other five numbers. So this type of exercise, you need to have it in mind clear what is mean, mode, median, and range, because these are like somehow some clues. And based on those clues, we need to get and complete the information, okay? So you're welcome. I will begin the explanation. As I told you, here is some information about six numbers. The lowest number is 37. We can verify that. It's 37. The range is 24. Remember what is range? What is the range? The range is biggest or the highest minus smallest. Yeah, yes? So if the smallest is 37, yes, we need to find the biggest number of this distribution. We have to assume that these are in order, right? So if the smallest is 37, but the biggest, if the smallest is 27 and the range is 24, so actually what we have to do is to add 37 plus 24. So 37 plus 24, yes, is going to give me the biggest number. Yes, 37 plus 24 is the biggest number. In this case is 61. So what happens if this number is 61? If I put here 61, I'm going to verify the range. Yes? So which is the biggest? 61 minus the smallest, which is 37. Yes, minus 37 is equal to 24. And this is, let's say, this corresponds to the information we have that says that the range is 24. So 61 is the biggest number here. So now we have one of the numbers for the distribution, okay? So let's continue reading the information to see what we can get from the information given. So the mode is 43. Yes, the mode is 43. So that means is at least two times. Why at least two times? Because the mode is the most repeated number. Yes. So for me, it is at least two times, or it could be three times or four times. We don't know that, but minimum two times. The 43 must be repeated. Okay. So if this is let's continue reading the information. The median is 46. So that means the numbers that is in the half or the average is 46. 46 is the median. All right? 46 is the median. Okie dokie. And it says that one number is multiple of 11. So that is the information we have. So let's see what we can do with that information. Oh, I'm sorry. I erased the 43. So let's say 43 and 43 to see what happens. Okay? So let's use the information. It says the median is, okay, the mode is 43. So it could be like we have it. And then it says the median is 46. If the median is 46, it's because 46 is probably in the half. Yes, it's probably here. So let's copy here for, oops, sorry. Let's copy here 46 to see what happened. 46. And then it says that one number is a multiple of 11. If you see, there is not a number that is a multiple of 11. Which are the multiples of 11 that are between 37 and 61? Let's think about the multiplication table of 11. Which number of the multiplication table of 11 are between 37 and 61? Well, 11 times 4 is 44. Yes. 11 times 5 is 55. And 11 times 6 is 66, but it cannot be 66 because the biggest number in the distribution is 61. So we have two options. Yes, we have two options. It could be 44, yes, or 55. Why 44 cannot be? Well, it could be 44, so we can write 44 here, but if we write 44 here, 46 cannot be here because it's not in the center, because it says the median is 46. So the median is the number that is in the center. And if you see, we copy like that and we calculate the median, 46 is not going to be in the center. So cannot be like 44 rather than 46. Okay, here we have it, 46. So 46 cannot be. Why? Because I have already shown you. Let's try with 55. Let's try with 55 to see what happens. If I put here 55, so I'm applying this instruction that says that one number is a multiple of 11. Yes, and this is a multiple of 11. So let's see if we can write it like that. So, let's verify all the instructions. The lowest number is 37. Good. The range is 24. Yes, I have already proved that. The mode is 43. Yes, it's 2 times. The median is 46. Let's verify that. So how do we calculate the median? We cancel 1 in the left, 1 in the right. 1 in the left, 1 in the right. Oh my God. What happened here? So we need to get the average. 43 plus 46. How much is 43 plus 46? That is 89. And 89 divided by 2, oh my God, doesn't work. 44.5. That means maybe the number 46 is not part of the distribution. Maybe the number 46 comes from the average of 43 plus another number that I don't know, that I will discover, but actually definitely is not 46, right? It's not 46. How I discover that number? Let's see what is the trick I'm going to apply here. 46 is not the number that goes here. But I know that 43 plus another number that I don't know divided by 2, yes, the answer is 46. Yes, the answer is 46. Okay, so I will discover that number. So 43 plus a number that I don't know, yes, and then divided by 2 must be equal to the thing I need. In this case, the answer must be 46. Yes, and this is an equation. So we can solve it as an equation by moving the number 2 to the other side. 46 times 2 is 92. So 92 is the result of adding these two numbers. So 43 plus a number must be equal to 92. Yes, if I divide 92 divided by 2, the answer is going to be 46. So what is the number? What is the number that when I add with 43, the answer is 92? Yes, what is that number? Which is that number? 43 plus 49 is equal to 92. And if I divide 92 by 2, the answer is 46. Yes, because remember in the median, when we have two numbers in the half, we need to add those two numbers, yes, 43 plus the other number, which is in this case 49, and then I divide the result by 2 to get the median. In this case, the median is 46. So 43 plus 49 equals 92, and 92 divided by 2 is 46. So 49 is the other number, the other missing numbers that we had. All right, guys? Thanks for watching Simple Math, and I'll see you next time in a next topic that I will record, okay? This is the last example of frequency measurements, mean, mode, median, and range. Thanks for watching Simple Math, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.